Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Clickbank marketing for beginners, specifically how to find high converting offers. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed divine decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, we're going to get into how to find high converting offers. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, go to Clickbank Marketplace and you're going to click on the search. Let me show you. So when you get in here, rather than clicking on a category over here, which by the way, the three highest converting niches are make money online or wealth, health, and relationships. But what we're going to do is go right here where it says find products and then just click on the search right there. And what that's going to do is bring up all the products on Clickbank and show you, well, you can go by popularity, but we're going to look at gravity. So this particular Fat Belly Fix is the most popular product on Clickbank. It sells the most. But we're going to click on gravity. And that actually also comes up again. And the second one here is some sort of diabetes offer, and then keto resources. This manifestation magic is going to be some sort of personal development. But what we want to look for is a gravity above 40. And what is gravity? That's the number of affiliates who have sold the vendor's products in the last 12 weeks. So that means the higher the gravity, the more sales that have been made, and the more that the higher converting that particular product is. So you can see Flat Belly Fix right here has a gravity of 248. This diabetes one has a gravity of 225. Keto Resources 210. So these are all really good products to sell. This one here, Manifestation Magic, is 176. This woodworking one is 170. So anything above 40 is good. So this is really good right here. Then you want to make sure you watch the sales video and that it's good. It doesn't sound like it's a bunch of hype. It's a high quality sales video. I like to look for something where there's an actual, the owner is speaking in it. That doesn't, you don't always have to have that, but it makes it more real to me. You also want to look for good affiliate marketing materials. So you can go in, of course, and just click on here and watch the sales video. Then you'll see right here where it says affiliate page. You can click on that and see what sort of, actually I already pulled that one up because I had to opt into that, what sort of materials they have for your marketing. So this one looks good, actually, the diabetes remedy. They've got your affiliate links, your email swipes, product images, lead magnet. They give you your SEO keywords. You can contact the affiliate manager. This one actually has foreign language versions. So this looks like a very good affiliate page, and they have an affiliate manager that you can email. Okay, so that's the next thing that you look for. Also, if you can find products that have recurring commissions, that's really good because you make the sale one time and then you continue to get paid every month off of that and that initial sale. And you can see that this one here one-time billing and has recurring billing as well. The dollar trial, and this one here also has recurring billing. This one does too. Okay, so those top three are really good products. And then you're going to look for the average sale to be under $50 because more people do impulse buying at those lower price points. Like a lot of Clickbank products that I review are like $37, and that's pretty easy for somebody to make a buying decision. So you can see these top three right here are all under $50. Of course, there's upsells, so you can make more than that, but the initial sale being under 50 is going to help you get more sales and have it be more of a high converting offer. This one is to $40. So those are basically the things that I look for with a high converting offer. And I'm going to leave some links in the description below the video as far as how you can market these Clickbank products. A lot of the videos that I have are free marketing strategies like Quora or some forum marketing, blogging, YouTube. I had one on Twitter. I'll put that down there as well. But I've got some other videos that I can give you to tell you, how you can market. Of course, my number one strategy is YouTube. So if you learn how to market on YouTube, of course that's free. That's a great way to build a following. You can start a review channel and review some of these products here. And then if you can put a link in the description below the video. So you do a good review, purchase the product, do a good review on it, and then leave a link in the description below the video to your affiliate link. Then another tip for you is if you can offer bonuses, that's going to help people to purchase as well. And if you can learn how to create a bonus page, that's how you see, if a new product comes out, you can see that a lot of people that are marketing on YouTube offer bonuses, and that really helps people make a buying decision. Even if it's a small price point, if you offer some sort of bonus, it could even be your time, 30 minutes of your time if you don't have any products or anything that you could offer. But if you can figure out how to create your own bonus page, that's really going to help to promote the product. So you could do like a review on Flat Belly Fix, and then the more value you can give in it, the better. So it wouldn't necessarily be a video on like just trying to sell the product. I mean, you can do a walkthrough of the product, and ideally you would purchase this product, get results with it, whatever results, I guess having a flatter belly, and then sharing your results, and then showing how someone can purchase the product. But I would say like Flat Belly Fix, you could even do a bonus of like some sort of shopping guide or something having to do with their diet, recipes or things like that. You could just put that real easily onto a blog post or something that's not shared with the public, but you could have that as your bonus. And I remember finding, let's see, it was Russell Brunson that said he was selling vitamins, and same vitamins that are sold on Amazon for a lot less, but he was selling them for more, but he was selling a lot more because he had an incredible bonus that went along with it, something that had to do with the vitamins and losing weight or something like that. But it was something that it wasn't a lot of money, and he was offering that as a bonus, and he was making a lot of sales. So you can do some sort of bonus there. This is going to help you to sell these products as well. So let's just go over this again. Average sale under $50, recurring commissions, make sure the sales video is good, affiliate materials are good, gravity above 40, and just search the whole marketplace, not any specific niche, but you'll find the highest converting ones come up there at the top. So hopefully you guys found some value in this Clickbank marketing for beginners. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments below this video. And if you have other videos that you would like me to do as far as Clickbank, leave that in the comments below also. And if you need to contact me for any reason, my contact information is in the description below this video. And if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendations for making money online as well as offline, those will be the first 2 links in the description below this video. You can check it out if you like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.